Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in Crane Shores Vacation Rental in Donnelly. We're going to do a quick tutorial on the television and the setup here. We are looking at a Vizio TV. The control that you can turn the TV on and off is using the CableOne remote. So what's important is to go use the top features right here where you have the VCR, DVD, audio, TV button, and cable. So in order to activate the TV, you'll push this particular button, then the power, which will turn the TV on and off. And then the same thing with the cable button. Cable is right here, and you want to make sure that the actual cable button is powered on, and you'll have a blue light that goes on. So DVD is using the AV2 input, and cable is using the HDMI 2. So on the bottom left, you have the video source button. You push that and it'll actually bring up the menu. So HDMI 2, push it again, it goes to HDMI 3. Basically you can cycle through all these, but I do not believe that you're gonna find anything that will be there. So no signal, 3, 4, TV 1, AV2 is Lord of the Rings, Two Towers, one of the greatest movies ever produced. So AV component 1, nothing, 2, HDMI 2, and then that'll bring us back to the cable. So that is the simple use of the main screen, the main television in the living room at Crane Shores. So if you have any further questions, you can give our office a call. The landline phone number there is the 208-634-0030. Cheers.